Blintzes. From Yiddish blinzi, from Russian blinets meaning little pancakes filled with cheese and folded pancakes. Borscht is a soup commonly consumed in Eastern Europe. The variety most commonly associated with the name in English is of Ukrainian origin, and includes beetroots as one of the main ingredients, which gives the dish its distinctive red color. In North America, borscht is often linked with European Jews who first brought it there from Europe. Challah is a special bread in Ashkenazi Jewish cuisine, usually braided and typically eaten on ceremonial occasions such as Sabbath and major Jewish holidays. Similar braided breads are found in Eastern Europe. Charoset is a sweet, dark-colored paste made of fruits and nuts eaten at the Passover Seder. It is made from chopped walnuts and apples, spiced with cinnamon and sweet red wine. Honey or sugar may be added as a sweetener and binder. Matzo balls are made by grinding the bread down to meal and mixing the product with eggs, water and chicken fat. These soft, fluffy Ashkenazi dumplings are made in ball form and is traditionally served in chicken broth. Matzo balls are Eastern European in origin. Cholent is Yiddish word for is a traditional Ashkenazi stew. It is usually simmered overnight for 12 hours or more, and eaten for lunch on Shabbat. The basic ingredients of cholent are meat, potatoes, beans, and barley. Chopped liver, along with gefiltah fish, has a reputation for being gross. Made with chicken livers, fried onions, and often with hard-boiled eggs, chopped liver is spread on crackers or challah at Shabbat and holiday meals, and served in many a Jewish deli. It's hard to figure out exactly how chopped liver came to be so deeply connected with Eastern European Jewish cuisine. Many have speculated that because Jews were often poor, they ate every part of a chicken in order to be thrifty, including parts like the liver that would otherwise seem unappetizing. Farfel. Word origin of Farfel is Yiddish from Middle High German Varveln. Small pellet-shaped egg pasta in Ashkenazic Jewish cuisine, made instead out of matzah during Passover. It is made from an egg noodle dough and is frequently toasted before being cooked. It can be served in soups or as a side dish. Flanken. A certain cut of beef used in Ashkenazic Jewish cuisine, made by cutting short ribs across the bone. Gefiltah fish is a dish made from a poached mixture of ground deboned fish, such as carp, whitefish, or pike. It is traditionally served as an appetizer by Ashkenazi Jewish households. Fish fillets are ground with eggs, onion, bread or matzo crumbs, and spices to produce a paste or dough which is then boiled in fish stock. The dish originated in the very poor Jewish population in Europe and especially Eastern Europe. Hamantaschen is a Yiddish word for triangular pastries associated with the holiday of Purim. The cookie can be crumbly, is made with butter or cream cheese and filled with almost anything, fruit, cheese, chocolate. Kasha Varnishkis, Jewish buckwheat groats with bow tie noodles. Kasha is buckwheat or groats, and Varnishkis is Yiddish for bow-shaped noodles. Kasha was an everyday meal for Eastern European Jews. Kasha Varnishkis is a traditional Ashkenazi Jewish dish. Jews from Eastern Europe brought the food to America and it is widely popular in the American Jewish community. Knish is a Yiddish word and is a snack of Ashkenazi Jews. It consists of a filling covered with dough that is either baked, grilled, or deep-fried. Knishes were made popular in North America by Central and Eastern European Jewish immigrants from the Pale of Settlement, mainly from present-day Belarus, Poland, Lithuania, and Ukraine. The filling is made entirely of mashed potato, ground meat, sauerkraut, onions, kasha, buckwheat groats, or cheese. Other varieties of fillings include sweet potatoes, black beans, fruit, broccoli, tofu, or spinach. Kugels are sweet or savory puddings that originated with Ashkenazi Jews, those from Eastern Europe. Kugel can be defined as an Ashkenazi casserole, baked with eggs, spices and often served on Shabbat or holidays as a side dish. Lkshen Kugel, or noodle pudding, is probably the most popular. The word lkshen is Yiddish for noodle. It is usually sweet and is often studded with chopped fruit. Latkas is Yiddish for pancake. On Hanukkah, it is traditional to serve potato latkes fried in oil. They are potato pancakes that Ashkenazi Jews prepare as part of the Hanukkah festival. The Ashkenazi Perogen are a variation on the Polish word pierogi, which means dumplings and are stuffed with potato, sauerkraut, ground meat, cheese, or fruit, which are traditionally boiled, and then baked or fried in butter. The mini pies are baked in the oven till golden brown, then they are served in chicken soup. Rugelach is a Jewish pastry of Ashkenazic origin. Traditional rugelach are made in the form of a crescent by rolling a triangle of dough around a filling. The name is Yiddish, the historical language of Ashkenazi Jews. The different fillings can include raisins, walnuts, cinnamon, chocolate, marzipan, poppy seed, or fruit preserves which are rolled up inside. Schav soup is made from water or broth, sorrel leaves, and salt. Schav is a Yiddish word for sorrel and the soup has its origin in Ashkenazi cooking. Jews from Galicia added sugar to their schav, making it a sweet and sour soup, while Jews from Lithuania did not add sugar. Wealthier Jews added a few eggs to thicken the soup, while poorer folks thickened the soup with potato. Stuffed cabbage is an Ashkenazi food of Eastern European origin. Stuffed cabbage is known by several other names including holishkas, galumpkis, golubsi, prax, or prox, depending on just which Eastern European country the Ashkenazi Jews hail from. Most stuffed cabbage today is filled with ground beef, even though very poor European Ashkenazi Jewish cooks would use vegetables instead in the past. Tzimmes is a traditional Ashkenazi Jewish sweet stew typically made from carrots and dried fruits such as prunes or raisins, often combined with other root vegetables including yam, sweet potatoes traditionally cooked with beef flanken, often sweetened with brown or white sugar and sometimes thickened with flour. In Yiddish, the word tzimmes means a big fuss, probably because of all the work required to make the old-style dish.